Open up the action, allowing the spent round to fly out, pushing forward the next round, and you're ready to fire. So, the American version that we're going to go ahead and do as well at the same time is the 1917 Eddystone, which is right here. It's actually an American version of the British weapon, the British Enfield. Again, holds 5 rounds, same exact action. This is what is being used on the battlefields during World War I and is carried over by most nations into World War II. So we'll go ahead and let these guys fire them off for you. Jim, if you want to straighten out the fire directly into the...
Oh, come on, don't do it.
Come on, like that.
Oh, it's okay.
Sean's gonna get the command.
First one on my mark.
Ready! Hey! Fire!
Alright, let's give them a round of applause, shall we?
Good job, guys.
So you can see those 5 rounds, they're pretty powerful, take a while to load, and then